Hi friends, welcome to GlobeMech. So first we need to know what is moment. Actually, moment is represented by the letter M, capital M. So this moment is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. That is force into perpendicular distance. So here this is the point A. Here the load P is acting. Load is nothing but again it is force that will be in the form of kilonewton. This distance is D. Okay, so here if you want to find out the moment at the point A, so what is moment? Force into perpendicular distance. Force is here P and perpendicular distance is D. Therefore moment at A is P into D for this case. Okay, so this is a simple one. So many of us are confused with so how to take perpendicular distance in problems. So consider this one. First one here, A point, B point, C point, sorry. So this 5 kilonewton is acting at point C, not B, not A. So here we need to find out what is the moment at point A. So very simple. So just moment at A is equal to, that will be distance 5 into, you should not take 5, you have to take 3 now. So this 5 kilonewton is this one. 5 into force, that is force, load 5 into perpendicular distance is 3, that becomes 15 kilonewton meter. Okay, so now so why should not 5, why it is 3? So simple, it's a perpendicular distance. Now how to find perpendicular distance, right? Just see at point A you can mark this dotted line as x and y direction. If it is a point A, you can mark like this, right? So how the force is acting? Horizontal way, right? Okay, so same type, to find perpendicular distance, first you can draw dotted lines in y direction also, x direction also, but you have to draw in such a way that how the force is acting. This force is acting in horizontal position, right? Therefore put dotted lines in horizontal way at point A. Okay, you can put here also, but the force is acting horizontal way, just put dotted lines like this. Now this is acting, this 5 kilonewton is acting above A, right? That means above A, therefore somewhere here, so put dotted line there also. That is acting, the force is acting like this, horizontal way. So this will be like this, if it is, this one is 5 kilonewton. So now what is the distance between force and the point A means? So perpendicular distance, see there, this one, this is a perpendicular, right? Here this is a perpendicular distance, therefore this 3 meter is we need to consider. Similarly, when we consider this type, okay, so how it actually works, you have to put A, you can put dotted lines in x direction also, x or y direction also, x direction also. So just check, this force is acting in y direction, therefore put dotted lines in y direction way. Now this 10 kilonewton is acting right side, right side to point A, that is in the y direction, just put dotted line like that, so that is 10 kilonewton. So now what is the perpendicular distance between 10 and A? Just draw a straight line, that is a perpendicular to this one also, this one also. Therefore this is the perpendicular distance, that is given 15 meter, right? So this is the perpendicular distance. So now consider a final example. Here you need to consider, you need to find what is the moment at point A, right? So here you have one beam, that is 5 meter, vertical beam 3 meter and horizontal beam 2 meter. Here the load is acting, that is 100 kilonewton vertical at point D, not at point A, not at point B, not at point C. There are no forces, only 100 kilonewton is there, that is acting at point D. So therefore how to find this one? So here 3 distances are there, so you need to find which one is a perpendicular distance, whether 5, whether 3 or 2. So simple, just mark the point A. You can put dotted lines in vertical also, in horizontal way also. Just check force, how the force is acting. This force is acting in vertical way, therefore put vertical dotted line. Okay, then so check force is acting with the left or right or up or down. So it is acting right, slightly down. Okay, right and slightly down, that is in the here, that is 100 kilonewton. Okay, you can extend this one. So what is the perpendicular distance? This total distance between this and this, that will be 5 plus 2, that is 7 meter. That is not 5, not 3, not 2. It is a 5 plus 2, that is 7 meter is the perpendicular distance from point A to the force 100 kilonewton. Therefore MA becomes what? 100 kilonewton into distance, perpendicular distance 7 meter, that is 700 kilonewton meter is the moment at point A. Think you have cleared with the moment. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.